Hey guys, so I'm talking about expiry dates on smoke alarms. If you hear the alarm chirping every minute, that means it's low battery or sensor fault. If it is sensor fault, replace the alarm. If it is low battery, replace the batteries in it. Some alarms you can't do because they are battery sealed and can't replace the battery on it. So if you hear a low battery chirp, replace the alarm. This alarm here is from 1993 and it has expired 2003. This one is August 2025, so it's still in date. Right here is a Chubb Series 65 smoke detector, 13th of the 11th, 2006, for installation date. What happens if you don't replace them? Well, it would go off. Because there might be lots of dust inside of it. Bye guys.